In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file back taxes on TurboTax. Filing back taxes simply means completing returns for prior years. And the key to doing this smoothly is starting with a clean slate in the correct TurboTax year. If you've already entered information in the wrong year or you need to wipe what's there so you can begin fresh, here's how to clear your current returns safely before you proceed. Before we begin, a quick tip. If you've entered anything you might want later, download a copy or take screenshots first. Clearing your return permanently erases all your entries in this session, and you can't undo it. Also, make sure you're signed in to the correct account, especially if more than one person in your household uses TurboTax. Once you're in TurboTax, look for the left-hand menu. You'll see a section labeled Tax Tools. Click on Tax Tools. This opens a panel with options designed to help manage your return and account settings. If you don't see the menu, try expanding the sidebar or switching from full screen mode so the navigation appears. Next, click on Tools. This brings up several utilities, including the option to clear your return. This area is where TurboTax stores advanced actions, so take a moment to read each option before continuing. Now, choose Clear and start over. TurboTax will warn you about what this does, and that's on purpose. Clearing removes all current entries, including income, deductions, credits, and any personal info you've typed into this return. If that's exactly what you need so you can start fresh for the proper tax year, continue. You'll be asked to confirm your choice. Click on, I want to clear my tax data. After a moment, your return resets to the beginning, as if you're starting brand new. From here, you're set up to begin again cleanly with zero leftover entries, so you can focus on the correct information for the back year you intend to file. A few helpful reminders as you move forward. Gather your year-specific documents before you start. Things like W-2s, 1099s, and any receipts related to that specific tax year, so your entries match the right period. If you're filing both federal and state, keep those year-aligned as well. And if you previously paid for a product or added forms, clearing your data won't issue a refund. It simply removes your entries so you can re-enter them accurately. That's it. You click Tax Tools, Open Tools, selected Clear and Start Over, and confirmed with I want to clear my tax data. With a clean slate, you're ready to proceed confidently and complete your back tax return the right way. Thanks for watching, and take your time to ensure every entry matches the year you're filing.